morning. Are you waking up now? How are your feet doing? Kick, 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 kick. I gotta get into a different spot so I'm not so shady. Good morning. Hi. Are you ready to get up? It's Tuesday. And you feel better? You're gonna go to Harding today? Say good morning, everyone. And say Daddy. And say hi, Mommy. You're a sweet little smiler. Here he comes. Here he comes. Oh, you're going to back down. Are you going to sit up? Hi, little red cheeks. Just studying your feet? Oh, yawn, yawn, yawn. Here he comes. Here he comes. He's going to do it. He's going to get up. You're coming. You're coming. Yes, yes. Yay. All right. Here he is. Looking out the window. No snow yet, but it's supposed to snow today. Yeah, snow today. Say, Daddy. Come on, Daddy. All right. You say, hi, I'm going to get up. Your mom has to put the camera down so she can help me out. You want one more smile? Yeah.